Hello guys, welcome back to Self Study YouTube channel. This video lecture is for 10th standard SSC board and we are continuing the activity which is given on page number 1 of linear equation in two variable. We have seen the introduction part, so this is part 2 about solved examples and about the activities in it. So the first activity we are going to see is this one on page number 1, very first, and this is saying that is the equation a linear equation in two variable. If yes, write yes. If no, write no. Okay, so first one is 4m plus 3n equals to 12. So I guess you remember the definition. Let us see the very basic points of it. So the first is a, b and c are real numbers. Real numbers, you know, right? So they should be real numbers. Next thing to be remembered is a is not equal to 0 and b is not equal to 0 at the same time. If a is equal to 0, then it is okay. If b is equal to 0, then it is also okay. But if both of them are equal to 0 at the same time, then it is not a linear equation in two variable. So remember this. Next thing we also studied about is the general form of the equation, also the degree of the equation. So what is the degree? Linear itself tells us that the degree of the variable is 1. Okay, so and there are two variables, two unknown, we know, right? Okay, so let us move towards the actual first question, 4m plus 3n. So we also know that ax plus by plus c equals to 0 is the general form of the equation. General form we know. Okay, so the first one is not in the general form, but it is okay. It is like ax plus by equals to c directly. So it is a equation. Okay, it is a linear equation in two variable, but it is not in general form. It is okay if it is not in general form, but it is at least a linear equation in two variable. There are two variables, m and n, and the next thing is a and b are not equal to 0 at the same time, as well as a, b, c are real numbers. So 1 and degree is also 1. Two variables are there. So let us move to the next. So this is a yes. Okay, the next is 3x square minus 7y equals to 13. Over here, if you carefully observe, the degree of the highest degree is 2. We want degree to be 1, but the degree is 2, right? And we want the degree to be 1, and there are x is there, y is there, two variables are there, but still it is no, because the degree is 2. Okay, I hope you get it. Root 2 and root 5 are real numbers, and 16 is also real number. X and y are two variables. It contains degree to be 1. So yes, this is a linear equation in two variable, the third one. Next is 0x plus 4y minus 3 is equal to 0. Now 0x, a is equal to 0, x, y have degree 1, but b is equal to 6, right? So we know that a is not equal to 0 and b is not equal to 0 at the same time. So a can be equal to 0, b can be equal to 0, but they should not be equal to 0 at the same time. In this fourth one, if you see, only a is equal to 0 and not b. Okay, so this is a linear equation in one variable. Most of them say no, but yes, it is a linear equation in two variable. Let us move to the fifth one, which is 0.3 is a real number, 0 is a real number, b is equal to 0. Okay, but a is not equal to 0. A is a real number, but b is equal to 0 over here. So and degree is 1. There are real numbers. So yes, this is also a linear equation in two variable. Let us move to the next, which is 4 upon x plus 5 upon y is equal to 4. Now this is not a linear equation because x is at the denominator, which will make x degree as half. Okay, so this is not, it can be converted. It can be converted into linear equation by cross multiplication method, but no, it is not a linear equation in two variable right now in this stage. Next, seventh one, 4xy minus 5y minus 8 equals to 0. Over here, if you see the first 4xy, x has 1 degree, y has 1 degree. So when we add both of them, then it will become 2, and we don't want 2 as our degree. So no, this is not a linear equation in two variable. I hope you understand this activity. It is very easy. It is just that which is linear equation and which is not. Now we are moving to the next page, page number 2, and it is solved examples. We are going to see the solved examples now. They are very easy. So let us see the solved example which are on page number 2. Okay, I hope you understand the activity, and it is very easy for you to solve. The first question, okay, on page number 2 is of solved examples. We are going to solve the solved example as well, because it may be asked in it can be asked in the board exams. Okay, so for first one is 5x minus 3y equals to 8. This, let us and also one more, as we have to solve it simultaneously. The question is solve the simultaneous equation. So the second one is 3x plus y equals to 2. We have learned how to solve simultaneous equation in class 9th, right, by elimination and substitution method. So we are going to use elimination method over here, also substitution, because in textbook it is given. So let us name this first equation and the next as second equation. Now we are going to multiply second equation by 3. Why 3? Because in the first equation you see minus 3y, and when we multiply equation 2 by minus 3 by 3, it will become plus 3y, and then minus 3 plus 3 will be cancelled. So we will eliminate y. As we are using elimination method, therefore we will eliminate y. Now let us take equation 2 and multiply it by 3. Now by multiplying equation 2 by 3, we get 3x plus 3y equals to 2. Okay, now we will name this as, sorry, not 2, 3 into 6, 3 into 2 will become 6. So 9x plus 3y equals to 6, and we will name it as equation number 3. Okay, I hope this is clear till now. Let us move ahead. Now what we are going to do is we are going to add equation number 1 and 2. Why? Again I am telling you, because minus 3y in equation 1 and plus 3y in equation 3 will be eliminated. So y variable will be eliminated, and we will get the value of x, and then when we will get the value of x, we'll easily be able to solve. Now add equation 3 and first. What is equation 3? What is equation 1? 5x minus 3y equals to 8, and we have to add, so plus sign. And what is equation 3? 9x plus 3y equals to 6. Now let us actually add them. So 9, so over here first minus plus will get minus, minus plus will become minus, so it will be plus 0y. So it is not necessary to write. 9 plus 5 equals to 14, so 14x, and 8 plus 6 is also equals to 14. Now let us solve on this side. Okay, now we will get 14x equals to 14. X on is multiplied with 14. The 14 will go on that side, and we will get 14 upon 14. Therefore x will be equal to 1. I am directly writing it. Okay, now we got the value of x. What we got the value of x? X we got as 1. Now we are going to substitute the value of x in any equation. You can choose any equation. Now x value we have got, so to find the y's value we have to substitute x values, and we will get equation, we will get the value of y. Now let us substitute this in equation number, let's see, 2. Okay, so what is equation number 2? 3x plus y equals to 2. Okay, so 3 into x, x is 1, we have to write the value of x plus y equals to 2. Then we will get 3 plus y equals to 2. Then we will get y equals to 2 minus 3. and 2 minus 3, this is plus 3. Okay, so after going to that side it will become minus. So y equals to minus 1. 2 minus 3 equals to minus 1. So we got the value of x equals to 1 and y equals to minus 1. Therefore solution of this equation is x comma 1. Okay, remember this, how to write x comma 1 equals to 1 comma minus 1. I hope this is clear with you, right? Now this x, we have to write x first then y first. Let us move to the second example. So it is 3x plus 2y equals to 29 and 5x minus y equals to 18. Okay, so let us name it as equation 1 and equation 2 respectively. Let us solve equations by eliminating y. Now we are going to eliminate y. Fill suitably the boxes below. So this is a fill in the blanks type of question. It is activity question, so it can be asked for 2 marks or 3 marks, okay, depending upon the number of boxes given. So we have to fill the appropriate in the box. Okay, now let us see multiplying equation 2 by 2. Why we are going to multiply 2, then we will get the y variable as minus 2y, and in the first we have seen that it is plus will get eliminated, therefore we will be able to easily eliminate y variable in it. Okay, so we are going to write 2 in each box because we are multiplying the equation 2 by 2. So 5x into 2 will become 10x, minus y into 2 will become minus 2y, and now over here 18 into 2 we have to fill, this is the box, we have to fill the answer of 18 multiplied by 2 in this, so it will become 36, and we have to give this as equation number 3. Now we are going to add equation 1 and equation 3 which we have just formed, so converted into and will be eliminated. So plus minus will get cancelled out and we will be eliminating y. So minus y to y plus 2y, when we add it will become cancel. So let us see in this. Now we are going to put equation, this is equation 1, first one, and equation 3 we have to write, which we just got 10x, okay, 10x minus 2y, which we just got, okay, minus, okay, remember this, plus minus will get cancelled out, therefore I'll write it just neatly, 10x minus 2y equals to 36. Now we have to add this, y variable will get cancelled. Now 10x plus 3 will become 13x. Okay, so we have to write it in the box, first box. When we add 10x plus 3 it will become 13. Now 29 plus 36, when we add this both we will get the answer as 65, and now 13 is in multiplied with x, so when we convert it it will become 13 upon 65 upon 13, so it will become 5, right, like 13 upon 65 upon 13, it will get divided and we will get answer as 5. So because 13 into 5 is 65, therefore x will be equals to 5. Okay, till here no problem, right? Substituting x equals to 5, which we just got in equation 1. Now we are going to put x value as 5. Now 3 into 5 is 15. 15x, no, sorry, not 15x, okay, only 15. Okay, now 15 plus 2y equals to 29 we got. Now 15 is plus over here, right? Now this plus 15, when we put it on the other side we will get minus 15, so 29 minus 15. Okay, I hope this is clear. Plus 15 will go and become minus 15, and now we are going to write 29 minus 15, the answer is 14 in the next box. So 2y, 2 is in multiplied with y, so after going to that side it will become divide, so 14 upon 2 it will become, so 7s are right, y equals to 7, we got the answer. So we got answer x as 5 and answer y of y as 7. So x comma y will be 5 comma 7, so x first and then y. Okay, x is 5 and y is 7. Okay, so x comma y equals to 5 comma 7 is the solution. I hope this is clear with you. Okay, if you have any doubts, please ask in the comment section. I'll solve your doubts as well. Okay, so let's move. Okay, so let us move to the equation 3. Now in this type of question you have seen like the coefficient of each variable is interchanged. 15x is becoming 15y in the next, and 17x is becoming 70y in the another one. So in this type of question we have to first add equation 1 and 2, then we have to subtract equation 1 and 2. By adding we will get equation 3, by subtracting we will get equation 4. Then equation 3 and 4 we have to add or subtract accordingly, and we will get x or y's value accordingly. Okay, so this is the simple way. First add, subtract, and then add or subtract to get equation to get the value of x and y. So in this type of question, 15x plus 17y equals to 21 and 17x plus 15y equals to 11. We will add these both equations, equation 1 and 2. 15x plus 17y equals to 21 and 17x plus 15y equals to 11. So you have this only applies when the coefficients are interchanged. Now 15 plus 17x equals to 32x, 15 plus 17y equals to 32y equals to 21 plus 11 equals to 32. Now 32 we will take common from both, so we will write x plus y, 32 in bracket x plus y equals to 32, then x plus y equals to 32 upon 32. This multiplication then will become a division, so x plus y equals to 1. 32 will get cancelled. We will get equation 3. Now this is a simple equation 3. Okay, now let us move by subtracting the equation. Okay, now we have got equation 3, which is x plus y equals to 1. Now by subtracting we will get equation 4, and then we will add. Okay, now let us subtract equation 1 from 2. Okay, I hope this is clear. We have to subtract equation 1 from 2, so we will write equation 2 first and then 1. Therefore 17x plus 15y equals to 11 minus 15x plus 17y equals to 21. While subtracting, the signs get changed, so plus 15 becomes minus 15, minus 17y and minus 21. Now 17 minus 15 is 2x, 15 minus 17 is minus 2y, and 11 minus 21 is, we have to take greater sign, therefore minus 10. Okay, so 2 common, x minus y equals 2 comma 2 into bracket x minus y equals to minus 10. X minus y is equal to minus 10 upon 2, and then we will divide it. X minus y is equal to, okay, minus 5. 2 in and then minus 5 when we divide. 2 5s are minus 5s are minus 10. Therefore now we got equation number 4. Okay, we got equation 4. Now let us add this equation to get the value of x and y, which is the solution. Now let us add equation number 3 and 4. Okay, so x plus y is equal to 1 and plus x minus y is equal to minus 1. I hope this is clear till here. Now 2x, x plus x, 2x, y will get eliminated, and minus 4. X minus 4 upon 2 becomes 2 goes on that side, so 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, so minus 2. Okay, we got the x value as minus 2. Now let us put or substitute or place this value of x in equation number whichever you think is easy. So I'm going to place it in equation number let's say 3. X plus y equals to 1, because it is easy and we will easily get the value of y. So minus 2 we are placing x value, so minus 2 plus y equals to 1, y equals to 1 plus 2, because minus 2 becomes plus on that side, so y's value is 3. Now like this, by solving, first adding equation 1 and 2, then subtracting equation 1 and 2, then by adding again third and fourth equation which we got, we get x and y's value. X is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 3. So write this at the ending, which is very important. Solution of the given equation or solution of this equation is, then we have to write into bracket x comma y and first x value is equal to first x's value, which is minus 2 comma 3 into the bracket. Okay, so I hope this is clear. Okay, I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash the like button and consider subscribing to my channel. So till then, keep watching, keep learning. Thank you all.